everyone! Yesterday, I was really excited to attend a monthly event here in Las Cruces called Yappy Hour for the first time with my rescue dog Luna. I brushed her all out and put on a little pink dog dress that said Wild Child that I had found on the clearance rack at Petco for $2. We were driving to the venue and Luna had squirmed from the passenger seat into my lap. When we reached a stoplight, I lifted her over the console and put her back in the passenger seat. I don't drive with the dog in my lap. The next thing I know, I hear a siren and see flashing red lights in my rearview mirror. The motorcycle policeman admitted he saw me put her back in the passenger seat, but still gave me a lecture and a warning ticket. I got really frustrated and upset because I was trying to do the right thing, but obviously not to the satisfaction of the rude, and yes, he was rude, police officer. I got teary. Yes, I have an anxiety disorder, but that's another story. Turned the car around and drove home. So much for having fun at Yappy Hour. The whole experience left me feeling somewhat rattled.